Hello, friends, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. If you're staring at your home after taking down all those Christmas decorations and feeling like something's missing, you're in the right place. Today, we're transforming your farmhouse into a cozy, clean, and timeless winter retreat that celebrates simplicity and warmth. We'll walk through every space together, from your welcoming entryway to your relaxing bedroom, sharing practical tips and beautiful ideas you can start using today. If you love farmhouse style as much as I do, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us bring you more inspiring content. And don't forget to share your favorite decorating tips in the comments below. Let's start where first impressions begin, your farmhouse exterior. After the twinkling lights come down, maintain that welcoming feeling with natural elements and classic farmhouse touches. Consider keeping a simple evergreen wreath on your front door, perhaps adorned with a burlap bough or dried eucalyptus for texture. Flank your entryway with galvanized metal planters filled with winter greenery like boxwood or pine branches. A vintage wooden ladder leaning against the porch with lanterns creates vertical interest. The key here is restraint. Think clean lines and neutral tones that let your home's architecture shine. This understated elegance embodies true farmhouse style while transitioning beautifully into the winter months ahead. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire home, so let's make it both beautiful and functional. Start with a reclaimed wood bench or a vintage church pew for seating, perfect for removing boots on snowy days. Above it, install simple black hooks for coats and hats, keeping them accessible yet organized. A large farmhouse mirror with a distressed wood or metal frame reflects light and makes the space feel larger. Add a shoe cabinet in natural wood tones to hide clutter while maintaining that rustic aesthetic. Layer a jute or sisal mat with a smaller patterned runner for texture and warmth. Finally, place a galvanized tray on the bench for corralling keys and mail, practical farmhouse living at its finest. Now let's add those finishing touches that transform your entryway from functional to fabulous. On your console or bench, arrange a vintage dough bowl filled with natural elements like pine cones, white candles, or faux snowballs for subtle winter interest. Lean a collection of vintage shutters or an old window frame against the wall for architectural character. Add a small potted plant like a snake plant or fern in a ceramic planter for life and freshness. Consider displaying a vintage farmhouse sign with an inspiring quote, "Gather, welcome home," or "Blessed work beautifully." Remember, the farmhouse aesthetic celebrates imperfection and history, so don't be afraid to mix old and new pieces for that collected over time look we all love. The living room is where your family gathers, so creating a warm, inviting atmosphere is essential. Start with your foundational pieces. A comfortable sofa in neutral linen, cotton, or even leather works beautifully in farmhouse spaces. Add a reclaimed wood coffee table or a vintage trunk for storage and surface space. Layer in texture with chunky knit throw blankets in cream, gray, or soft taupe draped casually over the sofa arm. A jute or wool area rug grounds the space and adds warmth underfoot. Keep your color palette neutral with whites, creams, grays, and natural wood tones as your base. This creates a serene backdrop that feels calming after the visual excitement of the holiday season. Now let's layer in personality and comfort. Arrange throw pillows in various textures: linen, grain sack stripes, cable knit, and perhaps one or two in a subtle plaid or check pattern. On your coffee table, create a simple vignette with a wooden tray holding white candles in varying heights, a small potted succulent, and perhaps a vintage book or two. Add shiplap accents or board and batten wainscoting if possible. These architectural details are farmhouse signatures. Incorporate vintage finds like an old ladder used as a blanket holder, antique crocks as planters, or weathered wooden crates for display. The beauty of farmhouse style lies in its ability to blend old and new seamlessly, creating spaces that feel collected and comfortable rather than overly curated. Your dining room should feel special even on ordinary days. Start with a solid wood farmhouse table, the heart of any farmhouse dining space. Surround it with mismatched chairs for character, perhaps mixing wooden chairs with upholstered ones for comfort and visual interest. A simple linen table runner in natural or white adds softness without overwhelming the table. Above, a statement light fixture like a wrought iron chandelier or wooden bead chandelier creates ambience and anchors the space. Keep a vintage pitcher filled with fresh eucalyptus or dried stems as a low-maintenance centerpiece. Add open shelving or a hutch to display white ironstone, vintage crocks, and wooden cutting boards, functional items that double as beautiful decor in true farmhouse fashion. Let's add those special touches that make your dining room feel curated. On your sideboard or buffet, create height variation with candlesticks in different sizes, a vintage scale, or a collection of white pitchers and vases. Layer in a large wooden tray to corral smaller items and create visual cohesion. Consider adding a gallery wall with vintage-inspired prints, botanical drawings, or black and white family photos in simple frames. A large mirror with a weathered frame reflects light and makes the room feel more spacious. On your table, individual cloth napkins in natural linen with simple napkin rings add an elevated touch to everyday meals. Remember, farmhouse dining is about creating a welcoming atmosphere where family and friends want to linger long after the meal ends. The kitchen is truly the heart of any farmhouse, so let's create a space that's both beautiful and hardworking. If possible, keep countertops relatively clear. The clean, uncluttered look is essential to modern farmhouse style. Display your most used items like a vintage cutting board, a ceramic utensil crock, and perhaps a cake stand under a glass cloche. Choose open shelving to showcase white dishes, wooden bowls, and vintage glassware. This practical storage solution adds character while keeping essentials accessible. A farmhouse sink with a bridge faucet is the ultimate farmhouse kitchen feature. Add warmth with butcher block countertops or a wooden kitchen island. Keep your small appliances like your coffee maker in complementary neutral tones or stainless steel for cohesion. Now let's style those hardworking kitchen spaces with farmhouse charm. Above your cabinets, if there's space, display vintage crocks, ironstone pitchers, or woven baskets for texture and interest. Inside glass front cabinets, arrange white dishes with the occasional pop of blue and white transferware or vintage stoneware. On the refrigerator, resist the urge to clutter. Instead, keep it clean or add a simple calendar in a weathered frame. Near your stove, keep cooking utensils in a large ceramic crock or galvanized container for easy access and vintage appeal. Your coffee station deserves special attention. Create a dedicated area with your machine, a small tray with mugs, and perhaps a vintage canister set for coffee and tea supplies. These thoughtful touches make daily routines feel special. The family room should be your ultimate cozy retreat, especially during the winter months. Arrange seating to encourage conversation, with your sofa and chairs oriented toward each other rather than just toward the television. Mount your flat-screen TV above a reclaimed wood console or vintage dresser repurposed as a media stand. This adds warmth and farmhouse character beneath the modern technology. Layer in even more texture here than in the living room. This is your casual space. Add floor poofs in natural materials, a weathered leather ottoman, and plenty of soft throws within easy reach. Consider shiplap or wood plank walls painted in a soft white or warm gray to create that quintessential farmhouse backdrop that makes everything feel cohesive and intentional. Let's make this family gathering space truly special. Flank your TV with simple floating shelves styled with family photos and matching frames, small plants, and a few meaningful objects. Avoid overcrowding for that clean farmhouse look. Add a basket tower in the corner filled with throws and pillows for easy access when you want to get cozy. Incorporate warm lighting with table lamps featuring linen shades or Edison bulb fixtures. A large wall clock with a metal frame and Roman numerals adds both function and farmhouse style. Keep a vintage tray on your coffee table for remote controls and coasters. Corral the clutter while maintaining beauty. This room should feel lived in and loved, where your family actually wants to spend time together, not just a showroom. Even in a farmhouse, we need dedicated workspace, and it doesn't require an entire room. Carve out a small home office area with a compact writing desk in natural wood or painted in a soft neutral. Choose a comfortable chair, perhaps a vintage wooden desk chair or an upholstered side chair that complements your farmhouse aesthetic. Add a small desk lamp with a metal finish for task lighting. On your desk, keep only essentials visible. A unique small desk clock in brass or wood, a ceramic pencil holder, and perhaps a small potted succulent for life. Mount a vintage-inspired bulletin board or pegboard for organization that's both practical and decorative. A small radio in vintage styling connects you to music or news while maintaining your farmhouse vibe throughout this productive space. Create a dedicated reading nook where you can escape with a good book and a cup of tea. Start with a comfortable upholstered chair. Think a slip-covered wingback or a cozy armchair in natural linen or ticking stripe. Position it near a window for natural light and add a small side table within arm's reach for your coffee mug and current read. A floor lamp with an adjustable arm provides focused reading light for evening hours. Layer in a chunky knit throw and a couple of coordinating pillows for maximum comfort. Add a small bookcase or floating shelf nearby to keep your current reads and favorites accessible. Consider a small wooden stool as a footrest or extra surface. This corner should feel like a warm hug, your personal retreat within your farmhouse home where the outside world fades away. Your bedroom should be a peaceful sanctuary, and farmhouse style naturally creates this calming atmosphere. Start with a statement bed. An iron bed frame, a reclaimed wood headboard, or a simple upholstered headboard in natural linen all work beautifully. Layer your bed with white or neutral bedding as your base. Then add texture with a linen duvet cover, a chunky knit blanket at the foot, and plenty of pillows in varying sizes and textures. Keep nightstands simple. Vintage side tables, small dressers, or even wooden crates work perfectly. Add table lamps with linen shades for soft, warm lighting. A bench at the foot of your bed in weathered wood or upholstered fabric adds both function and style. Keep the color palette soft and neutral. This space should feel like a cloud. Now let's add those finishing touches that make your bedroom truly special. Above your bed, consider a simple piece of artwork. Perhaps a large-scale botanical print, a weathered wooden sign with a meaningful word, or even a vintage window frame for architectural interest. Keep surfaces relatively clear on nightstands. Just a lamp, a small tray for jewelry, and perhaps a small vase with fresh or dried stems. Add a cozy area rug beside the bed for warmth underfoot on cold mornings. Incorporate texture through window treatments. Simple linen curtains in white or natural allow light to filter through beautifully. A vintage ladder makes a perfect blanket holder leaning in the corner. Remember, this room should promote rest and relaxation, so embrace simplicity and soft, natural materials throughout. Transform your bathroom into a farmhouse spa retreat with simple, intentional choices. If you have a shower, consider a simple white subway tile with dark grout for classic farmhouse appeal. Add a rainfall shower head for a luxurious touch. At your wastafel or sink area, keep countertops clear except for essentials displayed beautifully. Perhaps a ceramic soap dispenser, a small tray with hand soap and lotion, and a jar of cotton balls. Choose fixtures in oil-rubbed bronze, matte black, or brushed nickel for an authentic farmhouse look. Add a large framed mirror, wood, metal, or even a vintage window frame works beautifully. Install open shelving above the toilet or beside the sink to display rolled towels, woven baskets with supplies, and a few small plants. Functionality and beauty work hand in hand here. Let's add warmth and personality to this hardworking space. Hang bath towels on vintage-inspired hooks or a ladder towel rack for easy access and visual interest. Choose towels in whites, soft grays, or natural tones for that cohesive farmhouse look. Add a bath mat in natural materials like cotton or bamboo. On your open shelving, use galvanized containers, wire baskets, or woven seagrass baskets to organize toiletries while maintaining the aesthetic. Include a small vase with eucalyptus or lavender for a spa-like feel and natural fragrance. Consider a vintage-style stool or small bench for setting down clothes or displaying a stack of pretty hand towels. Add warmth with wood accents. Perhaps a wooden tray, a bamboo toothbrush holder, or wooden accessories that soften the harder bathroom surfaces beautifully. Even your garage can embrace farmhouse style while maintaining its practical purpose. Start with organization. Install simple open shelving units in natural wood or metal for storing tools, supplies, and seasonal items. Use galvanized bins, metal buckets, and wooden crates to corral smaller items while keeping the farmhouse aesthetic. Add pegboard walls painted in a neutral color for hanging tools and garden equipment, functional and visually appealing. If space allows, create a small potting bench area with a reclaimed woodwork surface and storage underneath for gardening supplies. Mount vintage-inspired hooks for hanging bikes, ladders, and outdoor equipment. Keep the floors clear and swept. The clean, organized look extends the farmhouse philosophy of simplicity and intentional living even to this utilitarian space. Function and beauty can absolutely coexist here. Your farmhouse patio becomes an extension of your living space, even in winter. Create a cozy outdoor seating area with weather-resistant furniture in natural materials. Teak, cedar, or powder-coated metal all work beautifully. Add outdoor cushions in neutral tones with weather-resistant fabrics. Layer in warmth with outdoor safe throw blankets for chilly evenings. String Edison bulb lights overhead for ambience and functional lighting. Add a weathered wood coffee table or repurpose a vintage wooden crate as a side table. Include large planters with evergreens or winter-hardy plants for year-round interest. A vintage metal chair or two adds farmhouse character. Consider an outdoor rug in natural fibers to define the space and add comfort underfoot. This outdoor room should feel like a natural continuation of your interior farmhouse style, inviting you to enjoy fresh air and nature's beauty. There you have it, friends. Your complete guide to after-Christmas farmhouse decor that's cozy, clean, and timeless. Remember, farmhouse style is all about creating a home that's lived in and loved, where function and beauty work together seamlessly. You don't need to implement everything at once. Start with one room, add pieces gradually, and let your space evolve naturally. The beauty of this style is its flexibility and its celebration of both vintage treasures and new finds. I hope you're feeling inspired to refresh your home for the winter months ahead. If you enjoyed this tour, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more inspiring design content. Drop a comment below and tell me which space you're most excited to tackle first. I love hearing from you. Until next time, happy decorating!